Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Facetory unboxing video. It's been a really long time since I've filmed a Facetory unboxing because I actually unsubscribed to Facetory for, it might be like 6 or 8 months at this point. I had just basically grown such a large sheet mask collection that I just couldn't keep up, which is why I ended up canceling my subscription for a little bit. It wasn't because I was unhappy with it, I just simply did not need any more face masks at the time, but I've since gone through some of my collection and I was kind of like, I've been feeling the itch for the last several months or so, and I finally decided it was time to resubscribe. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Facetory and seeing what I got in the July box, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, first and foremost, I'm testing a new contour product and I feel like my contour is like super sharp today. So I apologize in advance. I can't imagine how crazy it's gonna look when I go to edit. But anyway, so if you guys have never heard of Facetory, they are a monthly subscription service. They offer 2 different packages. The first is what they call their Forever Fresh Kit, which offers 4 separate sheet masks for a retail price of $5.95 and then an additional $2.95 shipping. And then they also have the 7 Luxe box, which is the box that I always get. It retails for $19.90 and shipping is included. So it's just a flat rate of $19.90. You get 7 different sheet masks, and these usually include like a hydrogel mask, or I don't want to say like an upscale mask, but like a 2-step mask, or the masks are just like a little bit more luxurious in the 7 Luxe box. So that being said, I will open this up and show you guys how it comes. So it looks like this. You always get like a postcard that sort of introduces the theme of the month. So it looks like the July box is, it looks almost like a passport, so some sort of like vacation type of theme. So it says, Happy July, where are you going next? The endless possibilities are waiting for you. Wherever it may be, this month's sheet masks will get your skin prepped and glowing for your getaways. So then it also always comes with a card that explains each of the 7 sheet masks. Some of them are like Korean, so it doesn't necessarily have English instructions on them, but the card will always kind of explain how you are to use each of the sheet masks and what sort of ingredients they have. So let's just jump into the 7 masks that came in this box. So right on top, we have this soothing jelly pack, and I've actually received a mask similar to this from the same brand in a previous month's box. So the little description on this says, too much exposure to the sun while on vacation and in need of some soothing. This one has got your back. It's going to help to soothe and hydrate your skin. It also lists the key ingredients, but I'm not going to try and read them to you because, let's be real, I wouldn't even pronounce them right anyway. The retail price on this is $4. Really excited about this mask because I like to have masks like this so that I can bring them on vacation. Oh my gosh, when I turn to the side, I'm like terrified with the stripe of contour on my face. Anyway, I love having masks like these to take on vacation with me, or just have around if I did have a really, long day in the sun, or if I'm sunburned or anything like that. But I probably will save this one for my next vacation just because I also really like to travel with sheet masks, and this seems like a good one for travel. Next, we got a cream mask from, I don't know the brand. It says this cream mask is going to provide abundant moisture with its effective ingredients. This cream mask will also make sure your skin is hydrated wherever you go. One of the key ingredients that I can actually read is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which if you guys didn't know, hyaluronic acid is a really great ingredient if you have dry skin because it helps to lock in more moisture and things like that. But yeah, I am super excited. Super excited about this. I do have dry skin, so I'd love to have hydrating sheet masks in my collection, and this sounds like a really good one. Next up, we have this one, which has the Mona Lisa on the, I almost said cover, but on the front of the packaging. This is actually a firming mask, and it says, don't have the luxury to take a trip to see the Mona Lisa. Well, we brought Paris to you with this firming mask that will create a smooth and soft canvas. This one retails for $3. And it looks like it has cauliflower extract as well as a couple other ingredients that I can't pronounce. I don't use firming masks all the time just because I don't feel like there's a noticeable difference ever, at least in my opinion. But maybe I will hang on to this and try and use it right before I go in with makeup someday. Sometimes I'm really good. I feel like I get in either really like a good rhythm with my sheet masks where I'm using them really consistently, or I fall out and like am never using them. So this will be fun to use. I think a good one before going in with your makeup for the day, just kind of like get an even canvas and prep your skin for makeup. Speaking of London, this next mask is called the London Shopper, and it's by Cloud Key, I believe. It says this mask will navigate you through the city life of London. This mask will make sure to get your skin in the right direction with its ability to smooth and hydrate. So a smoothing and hydrating mask. Again, I love hydrating masks. They are some of my favorite. Maybe I'll use this one as well someday before going in with makeup, just to smooth the canvas and hydrate the skin. Ooh, next up, I'm super excited about this one. I really like bubble masks. I've been super into them lately. And this one is an Oops Soda Bubble Mask with aqua fruit. It says this fruity scented mask, don't love that. I don't love fruity scented things. Will give you the best of both worlds, bubbles and beautiful skin. Get blown away with the results of this mask as you let the bubbles work. It's magic. This retails for $4 and it has grape extract, which is rich in vitamin E, peach fruit extract, which is an antioxidant that eliminates free radicals, and then another extract that is high in antioxidants and fights inflammation, which provides anti-aging properties. So really excited about this one. This is probably the one I'm most excited for so far in the entire box. The sixth mask is one of the 3-step masks. I'm not gonna lie, I don't always love the masks that have multiple steps, just because I like to be able to open the mask and just toss it right on and kind of be done with it. I don't know, are you guys the same way about that, or do you like the more high maintenance masks? Let me know. But this is the 3-step Amino Up mask. It has a lifting eye gel, an Amino Up toner, as well as a mask. It says this is the perfect mask to use on your getaway with 3 convenient steps that will keep your skin looking flawless for days to come. So another one that I'll probably hold on to for a vacation. It is nice to have these more like 3-step, 4-step masks for trips, just because oftentimes you get like a mask and a serum, so you don't have to be packing as much skincare. At least I typically don't. Usually I don't pack that much skincare for trips, and I just pack some masks and like basic skincare, but yeah, I'll definitely hang on to this one for my next vacation. And finally, you guys, it looks like another kind of step mask, because there's like this weird thing up top. So this is what this looks like. It looks like a 2-step mask now that I'm looking at it. It says this is the No Filter Moisturizing Camera Mask. Cute. It's supposed to look like a little camera. Oh, now I see it. Now that I look in the viewfinder, I see it. It says, click, you can never take too many photos while on vacation. Let the packaging on the mask inspire you to use this mask to get a no filter look. All of the key ingredients I cannot read, but it looks like there is vitamin C, a lot of vitamin C in this, and some moisturizing ingredients. So it looks like it is going to soothe, soften, and protect skin. And then vitamin C is also obviously brightening. So another really exciting mask. I don't know, I might do this one at home rather than bring this one on a vacation. Typically, you guys, I talk about my sheet masks in my empties video, which I usually film every 2 to 3 months. So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts on any of the masks that I receive in my Facetory box, check out my empties the next like month or 2 down the road. Or if you actually have like a legitimate question about one, you can obviously comment in the comment box, and I will try to maybe give that mask a shot and let you know. But other than that, that is going to conclude this video. Let me know if you are subscribed to Facetory, or if you're subscribed to any sort of subscription service like this, and what your thoughts are. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.